bare infinitive 3。可能咧，你會覺得你明晒嘅 bare infinitive，咁不如我就問咗問題先啦。Are the following sentences correct？ 停低個片，自己做咗先啦。I hear someone call my name。呢個啱唔啱呢？冇錯，呢個係啱噶，冇錯。呢個動詞用咗現在式，佢應該係講緊呢係時常都聽到有人叫我個名，而呢度呢，喺 hear 後邊係用 bare infinitive。Number 2, Jason always says he sees something moved behind the door。呢句又啱唔啱呢？ Always says 用現在式用啱啊。He sees 佢成日都見到都啱啊。不過呢，呢個 move 呢就錯咗啦，應該轉做 move，因為喺 see 呢個動詞後邊要用 bare infinitive move。Number 3, many parents have their children taking a lot of courses after school。呢句又啱唔啱啊？冇錯啦，呢句呢 taking 要轉做 take， 因為喺 have 後邊呢就要用 bare infinitive 㗎個 verb。Number 4, doing everything quickly makes Sandy smiling。大家都知啦，係咪 make 後邊係要用 bare infinitive， 所以個 smiling 呢係唔啱㗎，要轉做 smile。你係咪覺得好淺呢？好啦，嚟 level 2咯。Level 2, what mistakes can you find？ 好啦，又係停片，自己做咗先啦。Number 1, yesterday I hear someone call my name。個問題喺邊呢？個問題就係個 hear 度啦，要轉做 heard past tense， 因為你見到 yesterday 啊嘛。咦 Miss Lai 個 call 使唔使轉埋 past tense 啊？唔使，佢喺 hear 呢個 verb 後邊係用 bare infinitive。Miss Lai heard 喎，冇問題啦。heard 係 hear 嘅過去式啊嘛，咁所以喺佢後邊都用 bare infinitive 咯。咁但係 heard 呢一個 main verb 咧，呢個係 main verb 咧，佢就要轉做 past tense 啦。Number 2, tomorrow my parents have us taking a lot of courses after school。咦，呢句有兩個錯喎，邊度錯呢？好，第一就係呢一度啦。Tomorrow 你要用 future tense。My parents will have us taking。好啦，第二個錯喺呢度啦 ，take。我嘅父母呢，要我呢上好多堂，係啦。首先呢個 have 呢係用 future tense will have， 因為講 tomorrow 呢個 main verb。但係喺 have 後邊呢，我哋一定要用 bare infinitive 噶嘛，所以就應該轉翻做 take。Number 3, last night Jason see something move behind the window。有一個錯，邊度錯呢？冇錯啦，係呢個 main verb 錯咗。Last night past tense Jason saw something move behind the window。 move 係啱啊，喺 see 後邊或者係 saw 後邊都係用 bare infinitive 㗎。Number 4, don't worry Miss Mac let you go soon。 冇擔心啦， Miss Mac 好快會俾你走。嗱，留意呢個好快嘛 soon， 所以我哋要用將來式 will let。 Miss Mac will let you go soon。 個唔使轉㗎，係個 main verb let 要轉翻做 will let 啫。Number 5, doing everything quickly make Sandy smiling。 有兩個錯喎，邊兩個呢？好啦，冇錯啦，係個 make。OK， doing everything quickly 呢個係 subject， 個 verb 個 main verb 係 make， 要轉做 makes， 因為 doing everything quickly 係個 gerund 嚟嘅嚇，佢係 uncountable 噶，所以係 makes he she it 要加翻 s。Sandy smiling 要轉做 smile， 因為喺 make 後邊我哋要用 bare infinitive。好，講到呢度有冇問題呢？冇嘅話，我哋就嚟個 summary 啦。We use bare infinitive after feel, see, hear, watch, notice, and let, make, have and help。我哋咧喺呢一紮嘅動詞後邊咧會用 bare infinitive 㗎。好啦 ，however， the verb itself may be of different tenses according to the time the action is taken。但係咧，雖然喺呢啲 verb 嘅後邊用 bare infinitive， 但係個 verb 自己咧係會有唔同嘅 tenses 㗎，依照翻嗰個發生嘅時間。OK？好啦，咁 Miss Lai 咧就好唔中意記理論嘅，我中意用例子嚟記 grammar 㗎。咁我哋就用呢啲例子去再重新睇一次啦。Yesterday, I heard someone call my name. Heard is past tense because I see yesterday. Call still we use bare infinitive. Number 2, tomorrow my parents will have us take a lot of courses after school. Here the main verb will have because tomorrow. Okay, we will use future simple tense. And then take, still we have bare infinitive. Number 3, last night Jason saw something move behind the window. Saw I use past tense because of the last night. Okay? However, for move, we still use bare infinitive after saw. Number 4, don't worry, Miss Mac will let you go soon. So when you see soon, we have to use simple future tense. So you see the main verb, we use simple future tense, will let. But after let, still we use bare infinitive, go. Number 5, doing everything quickly makes Sandy smile. Okay, actually this is about our fact. Okay, what makes Sandy smiles. So I use simple present tense. So for the main verb make, we have to use makes. We have to add the s. Okay, because the subject doing everything quickly is an it. Okay, it makes. Doing everything quickly makes. Sandy smile. After make, still I use bare infinitive. Okay, pay attention to the verb help. Actually, after help, you can either use bare infinitive or you can use to infinitive. Example, last year, Red Cross helped to save many lives. 上年紅十字會係幫手救咗好多嘅生命，拯救咗好多嘅生命。Or you can also say last year Red Cross helped save many lives。兩句意思一樣你見到 helped 咧，我哋都係用咗過去式，因為都係回應翻個 last year。咁咧喺 help 後邊，我哋可以用 to infinitive to save， 又或者用 bare infinitive save。Let's do some practice. Jason stood someone to him sometimes. So sometimes we have to use simple present tense. So we use hears here. Jason hears someone. After hear, we have to use the bare infinitive talk. Number 2, did the singer sing last night? Hear. Did you hear? Why? Because in the question, after did, we use bare infinitive here. Did you hear the singers sing last night? Oh, sorry. I have to delete this thing. Number 3, everyone was sad after losing the game, but Sam's jokes stood us all. Okay, see, everyone was sad, so it is a past. Here, we have to use may. May us all laugh. Number 4, Miss Mag did 3D students did a presentation tomorrow. So for tomorrow, we have to use simple future tense. So we will say, Miss Mag will have 3D students do a presentation tomorrow. Miss Mac 咧係會令到 3D 嘅學生咧要做一個 presentation 㗎，聽日。Number 5, the government did Form 1 to 5 students face-to-face lessons because of the COVID-19 pandemic.